Amy Sax.
Rock me, baby.
F Production.
Somebody's going crazy tonight. Okay. Mr. Cookie. Let's go. I can feel this, my brother. Oh, John Clef, you are crazy on that drum. Let's go then. Say what? Say what? Romeo. Okay. Come on now, let's go. I can hear you crazy. Come on now. I hope you're feeling the jams tonight. Come on, put your hands up in the air. Say what? Say what? You know what time it is? Mr. Cookie is doing this. Some people are going crazy tonight. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's go. Come on now. OBA, I'm sure you can hear this wherever you are. Somebody's making me to twerk. Mr. Cookie, you're doing this. I'm crazy about this. Let's go. Say what? Say what? Hey, say what? Come on now. Let's go. Ay, 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 ay. Hold somebody around you. Hold somebody. You're doing this. I'm feeling so crazy tonight. told you about this. See why it's ready for this tonight. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Okay. See what's up, bitch. Oh, you know, let's go there. Let's go there. Okay. Mr. Crooked is doing something crazy to everyone. Some people are getting high already. Come on now, let's go. Come on now, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Say what? I can hear you, my people. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Turn it up. Take them up, baby boy.